We like to start with the good news, so this is Ukrainian army before conducting counterattack at Kreminna. You see news from Bakhmut every day. You've heard about Vuhledar recently. And you still wait news about Russian future big advance? Well, it already started. What have you heard about enemy advance near Avdiivka? Let's take a look. And the main trouble for the Russian forces near Vuhledar is the position of Ukrainian artillery. This is what is going on the field. And this clown never stops to amuse us. Namely, the PMC Wagner is attacking the small town of Bakhmut for over 6 months now, without any results, with tremendous casualties. But this fool is talking about reaching the English Channel. The head of Wagner, Yevgeny Prigozhin, will probably reach Arkham Asylum first.
Если нам надо идти до Днепра, то тогда года на 3. Если нам надо закрыть ДНР, ЛНР, ну надо еще хотя бы годика 1,5-2 поработать. Если нам нужно дойти до Ла-Манша, то тогда у меня есть свой идеальный план.
And his friend from the other room in the asylum. Russia is the best country in the world.
Я обратил внимание вот на что. Вы когда сейчас говорили, сказали вот какую фразу. В других странах, лучших в мире. И дальше пошли по тексту. Значит, лучшая в мире страна – это Россия. Надеюсь, что вы оговорились просто.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.